everybody. Today I'm going to be going over the Cover, Copy, Compare RtI intervention for Mastering Math Facts. This right here is the vertical worksheet that we're going to be looking at. There's also a horizontal worksheet that looks like this, but for today's explanation we're just going to be looking at the vertical worksheet. So the teacher would use a worksheet that is similar to this. This particular one has 10 different math facts on it. The math fact includes the number sentence as well as the answer. These facts are placed into the far left column, and then there are also two blank columns next to them under student response. So during the intervention, the student is going to be instructed to look at the first math fact right here, and then they're going to study it. And then when they're done studying it, they are going to take the worksheet and fold it over on this dotted line and cover up that first math fact. And then from memory, they're going to write down what they think the math fact is. When they're done, they're going to unfold it and then check their answer. So 8 plus 1 equals 9, so it matches up. So if they got the answer right, then they would just go ahead and move on to the second math fact. If they got it wrong for any reason, so say they did 8 plus 1 equals 10, then they would just go ahead and try again in the second blank column under student response. So they would fold it back up and try again. The student would go ahead and continue until they copied all of the math facts onto the worksheet. During the intervention, the teacher would go ahead and use a log that looked like this to record all of the math facts that they mastered, as well as the date that they mastered them on, just to keep, just to know how their progress is going. This intervention could also be used for spelling and sight words, and this intervention would fall into Tier 1 of the MTSS framework because it could be used to learn how much a student knows and whether or not there is any problem. And that's it. Thank you.